Okay, so it's a little bit of economics 101 for you, Kameran. Alright, so Coach, can you talk about diversification? No? So sabi ko kanina, may mga bagay po tayo na nasabi na we need to diversify. Let's give a little information, Coach, about the diversification. So I'm going to share to you a little bit of a diversified portfolio. No? This is just an example, not a financial advice, because iba-iba po tayo ng risk appetite, time horizon for investments and realization of your goals. Iba-iba po tayo ng time horizons. No? But just for example lang, if you would like to diversify, stocks, fixed income, may mga fixed income na ino-offer, no? May mga sa Pilipinas, may mga treasury securities, guaranteed po yan kasi sovereign guaranteed po ang securities, no? Garantiya po ng gobyerno na babayaran kayo, no? Real estate, yung rates, okay? Commodities, okay? Sinama ko si Bitcoin, 30%